25 acres మామిడి తోట, బత్తాయి తోట. Total square feet, two side road, one side 40 feet road, one side 25 feet road. Main 60 feet BT road to second bit. Kolanpaka to just 10 kilometers. Highway to 6 kilometers. Direct to owner land. 60 acres, 25 acres. Drip irrigation.